Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Kyocera printer to your mobile device. First, ensure your Kyocera printer and your smartphone or tablet are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, head over to your device's App Store and download the Kyocera Mobile Print application. This free app is essential for seamless printing directly from your phone. Open the application once it's fully installed. Once the Kyocera Mobile Print app is open, it will immediately begin searching for compatible printers on your local network. You should see a list populate with any Kyocera devices it finds. Carefully identify and tap on your specific printer model from this list to select it. This step links the app to your printer, preparing it for your first mobile print job. If your printer doesn't appear in the apps list, don't worry, there are simple troubleshooting steps. First, check your printer's IP address directly on its control panel. In the Kyocera Mobile Print app, you can manually add your printer by entering this exact IP address. Sometimes, a quick restart of both your printer and your mobile device can resolve minor network glitches, allowing the app to discover it. With your printer connected, you're ready to print. Within the Kyocera Mobile Print app, browse and select the document, photo, or web page you want to send to your printer. Before printing, take a moment to adjust your desired settings, like choosing the correct paper size, deciding between color or monochrome output, and specifying the number of copies. Once everything looks good, simply tap the print button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.